I will be sharing with you in this video how to transfer money to India from UK, United States, Canada instantly to India, like literally within seconds, right? So the website I'll be using or the mobile app you can use is Remitly. So I'm going to head over to my laptop now and show you a step-by-step process of how you can do this. So guys, to get started, head over to remitly.com. The link will be in the description of this video. Once you're there, select join now. From the drop down, select the country which you want to send money. In your case, it is India. So once you have selected your country, what you're going to do next is select join. All you need to specify is your email address and your password. Confirm your password and then select join, and that's it. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to sign in because I already have an existing account. So because I've used Remitly to send money already, I've added recipients to my account. However, in your case, you'll probably just seen send money. So in your case, you'll be adding a new recipient. So let's click new recipient. Specify the amount that you want to send. I'm going to say 100 Canadian dollars, right? And then this will be about 1,289 Jamaican dollars. Here, select your delivery speed. It can be either express or economy. Remitly is one of the cheapest ways to send money worldwide, right? So we're going to be going with express. Here you want to select debit card deposit because with the debit card deposit, you'll be able to send your money instantly. Now here, you'll specify the card number of the recipient that you want to receive the money and then select continue. However, I'm going to go back because I already have my account and file. So I'm going to start over the process, right? So I'm going to select my Visa, which is already linked. Now here I'm going to specify the amount that I want to send, which is 100 Canadian dollars. So select continue. Here I'm going to be choosing my payment method, which is already linked. In your case, you'll be adding a new card or a bank account, right? However, when you pay with the card option, that is a faster method. So I'm going to be selecting my card now to proceed. So this page gives you a summary of the transfer, the amount that will be sent, and when the money will be available. As you can see, it's 3 p.m. EDT. In Jamaica time, it's about 2 p.m., right? And let's check the time here, it's 2:56. So when I check my local bank account, you'll see a 1 hour time difference. So because Jamaica is 1 hour behind right now, so let's proceed to select send money. So the transfer is on its way, right? So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be logging in my local bank account. The money has been successfully sent. Now let's check the time. It's now 2:57. So let's flip over to my local bank and let's check the amount which was deposited to my account. As you can see, the amount is exactly the same. So it's 11,289, and let's go back to Remitly. And it's 11,289. So guys, if you signed up with my referral link in the description below, you will earn $25 when you send $100 or more. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.